Glowing skin in just minutes? Try this all-natural instant glow mask made with skin-loving ingredients you probably already have. Let's check the ingredients and the simple steps to make this face mask. In a bowl, add 3/4 tablespoon oatmeal powder. It soothes dry, sensitive skin and gently exfoliates. Next, 1/4 tablespoon milk powder, a natural source of lactic acid to smooth and soften. Add 1/4 tablespoon rose petal powder. Rich in antioxidants, it helps tone and brighten dull skin. Finally, 1/2 tablespoon kaolin clay, known for detoxifying and refining pores without drying out the skin. Mix all the dry ingredients with enough rose water or plain water to make a smooth paste. Gently apply the mask to your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water for an instant glow and refreshed skin. This mask hydrates, brightens, and exfoliates naturally, perfect before events or a night out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare remedies. And share it with someone who needs this.